Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Remove the side panel. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws, though this model we were filming was missing one. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry off the middle console panel. Remove the corner screw. Carefully pull the panel to disengage the back securing tabs from their catch. Remove the 3 screws on the metal bar. Carefully move the bar as to not stress the wire. Remove the screws. Open the glove box. Use a screwdriver to pry off the clip. Remove the 4 screws securing the top of the glove box. This model we were filming was missing one screw. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Remove both of the filters from their trays. Make note that most filter trays are going to have this inner lip inside. What you're going to want to do is make sure that the outer pleats of the filter are in the lip. Otherwise, you're probably going to have some airflow leakage. Install your new AQ1007 filters into their frames, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the screws. Though this model we were filming was missing one. Reinstall the clip. Reinstall the clip. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the bar. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the corner screw. Reinstall the center panel. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the side panel. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.